Hey folks, if you've watched some of my videos, you know that I am an options trader, and I've been trading options now for just over a decade. And because of the power options have given me over my financial accounts, I've created a course to teach you the very same techniques I use today. However, at the time of this recording, the stock market has been in a pretty long correction. It hasn't been a huge loss, but it can be frustrating for investors and options traders that trade bullish strategies. And when this happens, you start to see a lot of marketing from options gurus telling you that they can show you how to profit in down markets. Now, I am not one of those gurus. I know how to profit in a down market, but what I found is it's a waste of my time, so I don't teach it nor do I trade it. But what I do know is I can survive a market crash and corrections similar to what we're going through now. You see, most folks tend to overlook the power of our strategies because our accounts don't make money when the market falls. However, if you know anything about options, you know that they are leveraged. And while leverage is a great tool in a bull market trading bullish strategies, it can work in the opposite direction when the market goes against your trade. But our templates protect you from that. So I'm going to load up a small snippet of our recent weekly recap where Rob demonstrates how well our templates work for both the bull market we entered in 2023 and the correction we've been experiencing since late July. So let me go ahead and load up that video and I'll catch up with you at the end.
All right, quick recap on what these are for those that are new or haven't seen this in a while. Trading two paper accounts. One is labeled IRA, you'll see at the bottom, and the other one is a margin account, so a taxable account. So this one is the one I reset and started anew with $100,000, so I could differentiate the two back at the beginning of September. And you can see here it's not doing great, and I think this also plays into what Peter just said about thinking long term versus short term. So if this was like a real account I just started trading on for the first time, I'd be pretty discouraged. In fact, this is what happened to me, not because of the market, but because of my own doing. And when I started, but this is because it was just bad timing. Like, we can't control it, but we'll see. And you can see here, I actually added this while Peter was talking. So my account overall on this one is down 6%, and that's exactly, or roughly, I should say. I did quick math on the close. I think the closes for September 5th to today, the market's down about 6%. But what I want to highlight is my account has matched that, right? And then for my my margin account here, this is the one I've been doing pretty much since the start of this year. I started on the 17th of January. And again, same thing here. My latest closeout was a cash flow trade. And overall, this count is up 21%. So I'm still looking pretty good. Again, and for both of these, just to highlight too, I forgot to mention on the last one, I am doing both the 3X and the cash flow in.
Okay, so I'm back. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you guys stayed all the way to this part. Remember, real quick, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. That helps with the YouTube algorithm, helps us continue to provide this content. But real quick, I wanted to if you didn't catch that in that snippet, what he was showing there, he set up our template. Using our template, he got into trades at what would have been the worst time. You can't tell that until afterwards, but he got in at the end of July. Or right thereabouts. Well, the market crashed right about then, and we went into what we call stage 3 shortly thereafter. That account is losing just as much as the market. And the reason why that's important is because of the leverage of options. Most options traders would take a much bigger loss because a losing option trade is typically 10 times that of the security it's trading on. But to just recap what he was showing there is his other account, which he started at the beginning of the year, is 3Xing the market. The market is up just about 8%, even in this market correction. His account is up 22%. Okay, so that is the power of our strategies. That's what I wanted to show you guys. We don't teach you guys how to trade bearish strategies. Like I said, you can find other courses that teach it. I find them to be a waste of time because, in general, if you look at the average bear market, it doesn't last much longer than 9 months. So it takes a long time to learn a strategy and implement it. And bear markets don't come around that often. So you don't get a whole lot of time to implement it. Day traders, totally different. We're not day traders. But anyway, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And we will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Okay, hey, welcome everyone to another shitty market. Just kidding.
That was an unexpected
Sorry,
move.
I made Rob cry.
I was gonna say you can comment on why I'm crying.